question 2. This question is from topic sets. Here the question says that an outdoor club has 3 sections: walking, biking and rock climbing. Using the universal set notation to denote the set of all members of the club, and the symbol W for walking, B for biking and R for rock climbing, we have to write each of the following statements using set notations. The question has given us some information that we have to write using mathematical set notation or symbols. The statement in part 1 of the question is there are 72 members in the club. Here the club refers to the whole outdoor club. The question states that the symbol E is used to refer to a set with all the members of the outdoor club, which means that if there are 72 members in the outdoor club, the number of elements in set E will be equal to 72. So we can write as n of set E, that is number of set E, is exactly equal to 72. Alternatively, we could write n open bracket W union B then union R close bracket is equal to 72. This is because the outdoor club has 3 sections. We can think of union as addition, which could imply that the number of members of walking section plus the number of members of the biking sections plus the number of rock climbing section would equal to the total number of members of the outdoor club. Moving on, part 2 states that every member of the rock climbing section is also a member of the walking section. So we can write this as R is a proper subset of W. A subset is a set of which all the elements are contained in another set. In this scenario, every element present in R is present in W. We can imagine this R being part of the set W. From this Venn diagram, we can write W intersection R is R. And from this Venn diagram, we can also write W union R is W. An intersection refers to all the elements that are common to both W and R, which is the element that are present in W and R. In this case, all the elements that are common to both R and W are the elements that are present in R. Therefore, W intersection R equals to R is our another alternative solution. Here another set notation could be W union R is equals to W. If we imagine union to be addition, this basically means that W plus R is equal to W. This is because all the elements present in R are already present in W. There are no elements present in R that are not present in W. Now let's move on to the next part of the question. Here the set notation is already given to us. We just have to shade the region it represents or is referring to. X union Y complement in simple language is set X plus set not Y. We have to shade the set X along with everything that is not y. So here we have shaded x, and now we are going to shade everything except y, because that is what y complement means. So let us complete the shading. So we are shading. Yes, now our shading is completed. For the last part of this question, they are asking us to convey the set x union y complement in another way using set notation. So let's write, we can write the y intersection x complement, and then we can do this, that is the whole complement. This represents the exactly same thing. This means everything in the universal set that is not y, and everything except x. So the question 2 is done. Now let's move on to question 3.